Alright guys, just finished up this 22 GMC 3500 dually. We've got a 3-inch BDS lift. This one's going to come with the Fox 2.0 shocks, BDS upper control arms, and a small diff drop. I think it's like a 3/4 inch diff drop. It's also going to use a 2-inch rear lift block. We used a 20-inch fuel blitz in all black, 37 12 50 20 Toyo RT trails. Did have to do some minor clearancing. So the bottom of the air dam through here, your inner plastics right under here has to be trimmed. We also push this forward just a little bit, and then we do the Kelderman caps in the rear, and then trim a little bit of your felt liner through here. Now you can get by without the Kelderman caps on this, but it's very close. You have to trim away most of your fender flare, so it looks a lot better with the Kelderman cap, and you get additional clearance. Give you a little peek of the suspension. No spacers are needed on this setup, front or rear. Now you do have to make sure that you have the right offset rear outer wheels to accommodate a 1250 tire. They offer 3 different offsets through fuel. Now when you compare this kit to something like a 4-inch, you are going to have steeper angles, which is going to translate to a little bit stiffer ride. So it's just something to keep in mind. But you're also going to have a little bit additional ground clearance because you don't have the cross members. So if you use your truck a lot off-road, that may be something that matters to you. You can see we got plenty of gap between the rear dually tires. Now again, the rear is just going to be a small block, 2-inch rear block with Fox shock. Those are the Fox 2.0 smooth bodies. Just for contrast, we've got this dually in here. This one's got the 5-inch zone, rolling on 37s and 26s. Just give you a little bit of comparison there. Alright guys, that's going to be it on this one. I guess one more feature we did, we added the power steps. Alright guys, that's going to be it for now. Make sure you like the video, subscribe, stay tuned for more.